What blind people see depends on the type and timing of their blindness. Here are a few scenarios. People who are blind from birth usually don't have a concept of vision, so they don't see in the way that sighted people do. Rather than seeing darkness or blackness, they simply have no visual perception. Similar to how most people experience a sense they don't have, like echolocation or magnetoreception, for them, their perception of the world is built through sound, touch, smell, and taste. Those who lose their vision later in life, especially gradually, often have visual memories that inform their sense of the world. Depending on the extent and type of blindness, some may still see shapes, colors, or vague outlines, while others experience complete darkness. Some individuals might experience visual hallucinations, often called Charles Bonnet syndrome, where the brain creates imagery even without visual input. For some conditions, like macular degeneration, peripheral vision may remain intact, leaving them with partial sight. If blindness is due to neurological damage, like to the optic nerve or the visual cortex, they might experience nothing visually. Not darkness or blackness, but more like an absence of sight. In all these cases, blind people develop other sensory experiences and mental models to interpret their surroundings. Sound, touch, and memory help fill in the gaps, and many individuals become highly adept at creating spatial awareness in their own unique ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.